Myself Hemant M. Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today we are going to discuss about the ash handling system. So first of all, you must know about the after the combustion of that particular fuel, that much amount of ash will be generated, right? So ash disposal, a large quantity of ash is produced in steam power plant using coal. In thermal power plant generally we are using bituminous coal. So at that time, after the combustion of that particular fuel, there are large quantity of ash which is generated, right? So first of all, fuel means it is a substance composed mainly carbon and hydrogen and produce a large amount of heat when burning with oxygen, right? So after the combustion of that particular fuel, right, as which is generated after the combustion of that particular fuel, as produced in about 10 to 20 percentage of the total coal burnt in the furnace. So around particular that much amount of coal we have to require particular in furnace. So around from that 10 to 20 percentage as which is produced. Handling of ash is a problem because ash coming out of the furnace is too hot, it is dusty and irritating to handle and is accompanied by some poisonous gas, right? So we can say like that as handling which is difficult compared to coal handling system. Why? Because of the ash which is generated into the furnace, right? And that ash which is too hot, so it's very difficult to handle, right, with the naked hand. Okay, so over here you can see handling equipment should perform the following functions, right? So particular that handling that particular as, so which type of equipment we have to require. So over here first one you can see capital investment, operating and maintenance charges of the equipment should be low, right? So that much amount of as we have to handle, right? So that much amount of as handling, there are number of equipment we are using, right? So that equipment charges, maintenance charges should be low. It should be able to handle large quantity of ash, right? So which are the equipment we are using that depend on the how much amount of ash which is handled by that particular bunker or whatever we are using equipment, right? So clinkers, shooters, etc create troubles. The equipment should be able to handle them smoothly because of the in as which is very hot, so it's very difficult to handle. So equipment should be able to handle easily that particular this type of clinker and shoot dust, etc. The equipment should be corrosion and wear resistance, right? So which are the equipment we are using, that equipment should be corrosion free and wear resistance, uh, right? Because of the this type of clinker and shoot which is directly falling under particular equipment, so this type of wear may be occur, right? So after some times that particular equipment will be damaged. Okay, so the equipment should be corrosion and wear resistant. Okay, various ash handling systems in the thermal power plant. Okay, so over here you can see mechanical ash handling system, pneumatic ash handling system, and hydraulic ash handling system. So in mechanical ash handling system we are using, there are mechanical component is a pneumatic ash handling system in which we are using the air as a main supplier, and hydraulic ash handling system in which we are using water for the collect the particular that ash. Okay, mechanical ash handling system. In this system, ash cooled by water seal falls on the belt conveyor and is carried out continuously to the bunker. The ash is then removed to the dumping site from the ash bunker with the help of trucks. So over here you can see the figure, mechanical ash handling system. Alright. So this is the hopper, right? So we can understand the upper portion that is known as the furnace, right? So over here we can combustion that particular fuel, right? So at that time what happened, as which generating that as which is goes into the as hopper, right? This as which is passing through the as hopper, right? After over here you can see this is the belt conveyor, right? So belt conveyor, what happen over here, the water through, so over here they fill up the water, so as which is directly contact with the water, right? So over here what happen, this as which is deposit into the lower side of that particular water. After this belt conveyor, that as which is goes into the as bunker, as which is goes into the as bunker, right? So this belt conveyor which is the continuously rotate, right? This belt conveyor which is continuously rotation. So at that time what happen, whatever ash will be deposited onto the belt, right? So after that ash which is goes into the ash bunker, and through the ash bunker, over here wall is there, through the ash bunker which is directly fall into the truck. Then after that ash which is passing on particular area where any dumping site. Okay, so this is the mechanical ash handling system in which we are using belt conveyor, right? So through the belt conveyor which is ash which is directly goes into the ash bunker, right? So over here what happen, first of all hot ash which is goes into the water, so hotness will be reduced, and after cold ash which is goes into the ash bunker, and after through the ash bunker it is goes into the truck. Now after truck which is goes particular area where dumping sites, at that time it directly go dump at particular location. Okay, further you can see pneumatic system. In this system, as from the boiler furnace outlet falls into a crusher where larger ash particles are crushed to small size. The ash is then carried by a high velocity air or steam to the point of delivery. Air leaving the ash separator is passed through the filter to remove dust, etc., so that the exhauster handles clean air which will protect the blades of the exhaust. Okay, so over here you can see pneumatic ash handling system. Okay, so this is the furnace where fuel will be combust. After ash will be generated which is goes into the crusher, right? So crusher, what is the function of crusher? So large size ash particle which is converted into small size ash particle. So after over here you can see air from the atmosphere. So after air which is passing through the crusher, at the time small particle ash which is goes into the cyclone separator, right? So over here what happens in cyclone separator, that dust particle which is goes into the downward direction, right? So only we can say like that clean gas which is goes into the upward direction. But over here introduce the another cyclone separator, because a small particle of ash which is passing through the air and which is goes into the another cyclone separator. Over here same function, same working of the cyclone separator. So whatever ash particle which is goes into the fall into the ash hopper, right? So after clean air, so we can say clean gas which is passing into the filter. Okay, over here another precaution we have to take, because this little bit small particle also passing into the filter, right? So filter what happen, only pure air which is goes into the exhaust fan, right? So this is exhaust fan, so pure air we can say like that, which is goes into the atmosphere, right? So basically pure air, generally we can say like that pure air, but little bit whatever dust particle as clinker which is collect through over here as hopper on after pure gas which is passing into the atmosphere due to the uh, pollution control, due to the pollution control, right? So over here also we are using the pneumatic as handling system, right? After you can see hydraulic system, so in which low pressure hydraulic system and high pressure hydraulic system. In this method, water at sufficient pressure is used to take away the ash to sump. Where water and ash are separated, the ash is then transferred to the dump site on in wagon, rail cars, or trucks. The loading of ash may be through a belt conveyor or grape buckets. If there is an ash basement with ash hopper, the ash can fall directly in a car or conveying system. So over here you can see hydraulic ash handling system, in which considering low velocity hydraulic system, low velocity, right? So this is the upper portion which is the boiler, this is the ash hopper, right? From that ash hopper, ash which is goes into the downward direction. So from over here you can see this is the water line, right? This is the water line. So over here low velocity water we can passing particular that tube, so ash and water which is directly contact with each other. So at that time what happen, ash will be go uh, remove that hotness, right? After that ash which is goes into the ash sum, this is same kind of both direction same side. So which is ash which is dumped into the particular tank, right? So ash which is deposited into the downward direction due to the cold ash, and after over here this is the water, right? So this water also we are using in particular same way, right? So over here with the help of water we can reduce the hotness of that particular ash, right? So this is the low velocity hydraulic system. Over here you can see high velocity hydraulic system. So in high velocity hydraulic system we are using the nozzle, right? We are using the nozzle. So over here you can see spray the water, right? So this is a stoker, right? So from after the combustion of the fuel, ash which is generated which is falling into the stoker. So over here what happen, through the belt this ash which is goes into the downward direction, right? This is downward direction which is directly contact with the water, right? So ash which is directly contact with the water, right? So in the water channel what happen, water and ash will be deposited, right? So ash which is deposited into the uh, lower side of the particular tank, and after that ash we can use and we can put into the truck, or whenever it is required into the dumping side, right? So this is the high velocity hydraulic system in which we are using the nozzle, right, for the high velocity. Okay, so over here we can conclude as handling system, in which we are using mechanical as handling system, pneumatic as handling system, and hydraulic as handling system. In hydraulic handling system, considering low velocity hydraulic system and high velocity hydraulic system. But when important thing is that basically sometime ask question in GTU, coal handling system and as handling system. So basically over here we can say as handling system is very difficult to handle compared to coal handling system. Okay, thank you.